All right, so this is just my cooked rotini pasta. Woo, get that steam out of there. Shake it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 pound of cooked ground beef right on top of that pasta. Just get it evenly distributed, just like that. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna grab some red onion that I diced up. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Everything can just be layered on top of each other. It doesn't need to be perfect because we are gonna give it a good mix. Beautiful. Now, this might be a little controversial, but I love me some pickles. So these are some diced dill pickles, and we're gonna put it right in there. We're making a super yummy and super easy pasta salad. This is such a great salad for a barbecue, for a hot summer day, whatever you wanna use it for. Now, before we continue, I'm just gonna go ahead and, like I said, mix this up. Just get it nice and well blended with our pasta. Ooh, it looks like I added the perfect amount of each of our ingredients. This is my first time making this. I kind of just thought of it because pickles are so popular right now. So I just wanted to try a yummy pasta salad with, you know, all the good flavors that go with pickles.
Babe, this smells amazing. All I can smell is pickle.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and add some seasoning. I have some garlic powder here, and you can season this to your liking. I'm just gonna add a nice douse of garlic powder because I love garlic powder.
That was a lot of garlic powder.
Oh yeah. Now watch your ears, you guys. This is my pepper grinder, and we're gonna add pepper to the entire dish.
That sounds like my ex-wife.
Sounds like your next wife. All right, now we're gonna grab some salt. And you can season this to your liking. Add whatever seasoning you like, onion powder, paprika, whatever you like, just throw it in there. All right, go ahead and mix in that seasoning. This is gonna be so good, you guys, but don't you worry, we have our dressing coming.
Wait, what? What are we using as the dressing?
You'll see. That's gonna be our last ingredient. Now, of course, we're gonna add some cheese, and I wanted to freshly grate my cheese today. So let's go ahead and get our cheese grater. And I'm gonna use the big grater side because I want, you know, some average size cheese grates in there. This is the Tillamook cheese, which is the best cheese in the world, as you guys know. So just go ham with this cheese. Add as much as you want, as little or as much as you want. You can even skip the cheese if you don't want it. But I'm kind of trying to make like a cheeseburger pasta salad. So that's why we have all of these great ingredients just going right into our pasta salad. Okay, just quickly.
Yeah, can you go a little faster, please?
I'm trying.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
My fingers are nowhere near that grater, okay?
They were pretty close.
All right. You guys always say freshly grated is better, so I'm listening, I'm taking notes, and I am grating my own cheese. I don't know if I'll do this again because my arm already hurts, but you know what? At least I gave it a try.
Babe, you want me to do it?
No, almost done. I think I'm gonna use about half of this, so I'm almost done. Just quick. All right. Beautiful. Got half of that cheddar cheese in there. You could use American cheese, but I don't think that would grate as well, but I do know that that's a common cheese for cheeseburgers. Before we mix that in, I did say it was a cheeseburger pasta salad, so we're gonna add some shredded lettuce. Not all of this, maybe about half the bag. Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. Give this one more mix, and then we're gonna add our dressing. Get that cheese in there, that lettuce. It's okay if it goes a little crazy. I like to mix everything in my 13x9 pan because that's how I serve it. And it's just so much easier just to like layer all of that delicious ingredients into a pan rather than a bowl. I always feel like ingredients get stuck at the bottom of the bowl when I use a bowl to mix.
I have a question, babe. Is this already cooked pasta? It
Yes.
was, right?
Yes. That's why it steamed when I dropped it in there.
Awkward.
All right, now it's time for the dressing, what everybody's been waiting for, but a twofer. So we have Thousand Islands and we have mayo because you can't do cheeseburgers without mayo. So let's go ahead and get a generous amount of Thousand Island.
Wow, that looks so good.
Yeah. All right, and some mayo. And these are actually all ingredients I already had in my kitchen because I just made a cheeseburger casserole. So it was so nice. I just had to buy my pasta and then I had everything ready to go.
I ate it. It was so good.
All right, now let's give this a good mix. Finally get all that dressing blended in with our pasta salad. Oh my, doesn't that look so delicious? And you can use whatever dressing you like. I just love Thousand Island because it reminds me of In-N-Out. If you've never had an In-N-Out burger, you need to come on over to California and get yourself one because they're the best burgers in the world. Oh,
They really
yeah.
are.
Okay,
This might be better though.
Done here. We just gotta give this a good toss, make sure everything is coated. Like I said, I love doing this in a pan instead of a bowl because nothing gets stuck on the bottom. It's just all just easy to fold in there. Look at those beautiful colors. Okay, this is looking great, you guys. Now I am gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour to make sure everything is nice and cooled down so it's a delicious bite. All right, you guys, it was in the fridge for 1 hour. I am so excited to try this. All the good things, the hamburger, the cheese, the pickles, the onions, oh, the lettuce, that is gonna be incredible. Okay, let's go ahead, give this a try. We'll get some of that ground beef in there. I don't know if you guys have had pasta salad with ground beef. It's life-changing.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh, that is really good. Wow. Gotta try it.